Sa video na to, i-breakdown natin yung 5 most useful recruiting tools para sa small business owners. Sa 2025, what they actually do, when to use which, and exactly how to get results without wasting time or money. Hey, si Erin to from Startup Wise. If you've ever posted a job and felt buried in resumes or maybe naisip mo na mag-hire overseas pero hindi mo alam kung saan magsisimula, don't worry, nasa tamang lugar ka. Number 1, LinkedIn Recruiter Lite Direct Outreach. Sige, simulan natin sa obvious. LinkedIn. Yung free version, okay lang pang networking. Pero pag hiring na, LinkedIn Recruiter Lite is a whole different ballgame. Instead of posting a job and hoping people to apply, this tool lets you go out and find exact people na gusto mo. Parang online dating pero for talent. Naghahanap ka, nagfi-filter, tapos diretso ka nang magbe-message sa kanila. Best to kapag kailangan mo ng specialist like software engineer na may very specific na skill set. Yung job boards kadalasan hindi enough. Sa LinkedIn mo talaga sila usually makikita and ganito siya gumagana. Number 1, define the role clearly. Job title, skills, and location. Number 2, gamitin mo yung LinkedIn's Boolean search para maging specific sa hinahanap mo. Number 3, save your search so new candidates pop up automatically. Number 4, mag-reach out ka gamit yung short na personal message. Huwag masyadong mahaba, hindi yan nobela. Number 5, mag-follow up ka at least twice kung hindi sila nagre-reply. And pro tip, mag-mention ka ng something unique from their profile. So it doesn't feel like a spam message to everyone and always mag-send ka ng messages sa morning nila, hindi sa'yo. Timing always matters. Kapag tama yung execution mo, 30 targeted message can realistically mag-lead sa one hire. Pero kapag mali, you'll just look like a spammer. Number 2 is Indeed high volume. Ngayon pag-usapan natin ang about speed. Sometimes you don't need a unicorn, you just really need someone solid and fast. Pumapasok yung strength ng Indeed. Think of Indeed as the big box store of hiring. Siya ang pinakamalaking job board sa mundo, and for roles like customer service, administrative assistant, or warehouse staff, it delivers that volume. Ang key na to, huwag kang magpa-cute sa job titles. Call it what people are searching for. So, imbes na Customer Happiness Ninja, gawing simple lang, Customer Support Specialist. Clear titles will convert to more clicks. How to make it work? Number 1, gumawa ng simple at madaling iscan na job description. Bullets ang best friend mo dito. Number 2, maglagay ka ng knockout questions like, do you have 2 or more years in customer service? Number 3, use auto-screening so you're not reading every single resume. Number 4, i-refresh mo yung job posting every week para lagi siyang nasa top. At number 5, mag-reply ka kaagad kasi yun yung best candidates mabilis ma-hire. Pitfall is posting too broadly. If you just write marketing role, you'll drown in very irrelevant resumes. Kaya dapat specific ka kapag ginagamit mo yung Indeed. You'll have 100 applicants in a few days and you can usually make a hire within a week or 2. Number 3, Bamboo HR. Ito na yung first real system, okay? Let's move on to something every founder eventually runs into, yung chaos ng spreadsheets and email chains. Dito papasok yung Bamboo HR. Parang starter kit mo siya para makabuo ng real hiring system. Instead of resumes living in your inbox, meron kang isang clean dashboard kung saan lahat nandun na. Ito yung ginagawa niya. Tracks candidates through stages, applied to phone screen to interview to offer. It lets you post jobs multiple boards at once. Ina-automate din niya yung mga boring na tasks like thank you emails and rejection notes, and lets you use e-signatures for offers so no more printing contracts. Ang pinaka-best part, interview scorecards. Gumagawa ka ng set of questions, everyone asks the same ones, tapos consistent yung scoring. So wala nang parang may good feeling ako sa person na to. Mas objective ka na. Pro tip, don't overcomplicate it. Keep your process 5 to 7 steps max. Any more than that and you'll lose good people along the way. Think of Bamboo HR as a bridge from scrappy setup to being professional. It saves you from that moment where you're like, wait, did I email that candidate back? Number 4, leveling up now. Kung ang Bamboo HR parang training wheels, yung workable talaga next level na. Para siya sa businesses na mas regular mag-hire, sabihin na nating 5 to 50 people a year. It's an ATS, so an applicant tracking system, but with more horsepower. Ito kung bakit gusto siya ng mga founders. Pwede kang gumawa ng branded careers page na maganda talaga tignan, tapos mag-post ng jobs sa multiple boards, free at paid, sabay-sabay. Yung Chrome extension niya lets you scoop candidates candidates right from LinkedIn, and it has video interviews built in at yung collaboration features talaga yung nagpapaspecial sa kanya. Hiring isn't just your decision. Plus manager, plus minsan co-founder pa. Yung Workable lets everyone leave notes, scores, and feedback sa isang lugar so hindi mo na kailangan pagsama-samahin lahat sa Slack threads. Pro tip, ask candidates for a short 1-minute video introduction. You'd be surprised how much you can tell about communication skills. That alone, yung Workable talaga para siya sa scale. Kung nasa stage ka na nag-hire ka across different departments and need a system everyone can use, ito na yung para sa'yo. Number 5, Paired. Ito yung hands-on overseas recruiting. At ngayon, pag-usapan natin yung tool na honestly parang cheat code. Paired. Dati nakakatakot mag-hire overseas. You'd think, how do I know if they're legit? How do I pay them? What about time zones? Pero si Paired, inaalis lahat ng worries na yan sa plate mo. Ganito siya gumagana. Number 1, magki-quick discovery call ka. Number 2, you tell them exactly what role you need and what success looks like. Number 3, their recruiters go into global talent pools, Latin America, EMEA, Asia, and handpick candidates. Number 4, imbes na 200 resumes, 2 to 3 finalists lang ang makukuha mo. Number 5, you interview, decide, and Paired supports onboarding. Malalaki yung benefits. Speed, they deliver candidates in 1 to 2 weeks. Savings, many businesses save 50 to 80% on payroll. Quality, A players lang yung binibigay nila. At unlike job boards na nalulunod ka sa resumes, Paired is all about that precision. Hindi lang nila finifill ang role, naghahanap sila ng rockstars that can transform your businesses. Kung iniisip mo mag-hire globally pero di mo alam kung saan ka magsisimula, si Paired ginagawa niyang almost too easy. Pwede mo silang i-check dito sa www.paired.so/startupwise comparison at glance. So, ito yung quick rundown. Exact person in mind, LinkedIn Recruiter Lite. Need a ton of applicants fast. Indeed, pagod ka na sa hiring chaos. Bamboo HR. Kung hiring ka across multiple roles and departments, Workable. At kung gusto mo ng global A players na walang headache, i-wrap up natin to in a simple framework na pwede mong gamitin bukas. Number 1, start with outcomes, not tasks. Imbes na, I need a VA, isipin mo, I need someone to handle scheduling, email, and reporting. Number 2, piliin mo yung tool based sa role. Don't use LinkedIn for receptionist job and don't use Indeed for a specialized engineer. Number 3, structure mo yung hiring stages mo. 5 to 7 steps max. Number 4, automate mo yung communications and scheduling. It saves you hours. Number 5, interview consistently. Same questions sa bawat candidate. Number 6, mag-decide ka agad within 48 hours after the last interview kasi speed matters. Number 7, mag-onboard gamit ang 30, 60, 90 plan so your new hires knows exactly how to succeed. I-check nyo sila dito, www.paired.so/startupwise. Salamat sa pag-hangout sa akin today. Lahat ng links ay nasa baba lang at yung iba, possible na affiliate links. That means I might earn a small commission pero wala namang extra cost to you. Nakakatulong to para masuportahan ng channel at makagawa pa ako ng guides tulad nito. This is Erin from Startupwise and I'll catch you guys in the next one.